So here we have the master caddies that allow you to convert an SSD into a drive that will slot perfectly in your Ninja 5 or other Atomos recorders. So in the pack you get 5, and as you can see you've got this space here where you can put a sticker, and so you can label your drives. So I like to number mine with a label maker, just so that I can differentiate between the drives. When I'm writing my information down on what I've recorded, I can say which drive it was, and also that means I can track how long each drive is being used inside, so I can spread the load between all my different drives. I've got some fresh ones here that I've just loaded up, and as you can see, it's just 4 screws on the sides. The screws, what they do is actually close the whole unit together, as well as holding the drive in a fixed position so that it's very safe and it aligns perfectly when you slot it in to the Ninja 5 recorder. So right now in this one I've got my number 1 drive, and as you can see the drives just slide nice and neatly in, and it's got that divot here that lines up with these hooky parts here, and that forces the drive to slot in exactly where it needs to be, so it's nice and secure and you're not going to lose any data. So as you can see there is a little bit jutting out, so I've got a cage on my Ninja 5, so it's not jutting out as much as it would if you didn't have the cage on, but I actually prefer this. Now you can get drives that sit flush with your recorder, but I like having this bit poking out because it means I can grab them easier and slide them in, and it's absolutely fine. It's just much easier to grab them out that way.